Question number 23. Let vertices of the triangle ABC is A 0, 0, B 0, 1 and C x, y and perimeter is 4. Then we have to find the locus of C. Now we will draw, first of all we'll draw a figure. Our A point is 0, 0, B point is 0, 1 and C point is x, y. So using distance formula we'll find distance of BC equals to under root of x minus 0 whole square, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. So our BC distance is x square plus y minus 1 square as written down here. Similarly, our AC distance is root x square plus y square and our AB distance is 1. And we have given AB plus AC plus BC equals to 4 and putting down the values of AB which is 1, AC as under root of x square plus y minus 1 whole square and BC value as under root of x square plus y square. On solving this equation, we'll get 9x square plus 8y square minus 8y equals to 16, which is our locus of C point, and this is our option C. So our correct answer is C option. So I'll remove all of these. Thank you.